Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in ChatGPT. To enable dark mode in ChatGPT, first of all, open up the ChatGPT application on your device and make sure that you're logged into the account. Once you're logged in, click on the two horizontal menu button at the top left corner, and then from the expanded menu, click on your username at the bottom. Once you are done, this will open up the settings menu where you'll need to tap on personalization. Under personalization, click on color scheme and then select dark from the pop-up window. Click on OK to change your ChatGPT interface to a darker color. So that's how you easily enable dark mode in ChatGPT application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.